Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's tip is to practice with a mirror, but in a particular way. Uh, Maybe it's a smaller mirror. I'd like to have like a full-length mirror or a wall mirror, something a little bigger. For some of us, it may not be a mirror per se, but a window with a reflection, like a sliding glass door that kind of serves your purposes. But the idea is to explore the difference between the uh, the understanding I have about, let's say, my posture, for example, and compare and contrast that with the reality of the posture as revealed by the mirror. So, for example, if I'm thinking of my posture, I'll do it sort of in profile for you, and I come to a particular move, change my hands like this, and I think I have some pretty good posture, right? You guys can see that I don't, right? Like I'm leaning, or I'm here, or I don't know, here, whatever it is. So I think I'm straight. So the idea is to pause with the mirror off to your side, so not in your view, uh, and feel what you feel and develop a mental image map, um, orient to an understanding of what you believe that your posture looks like. So this student maybe thinks that she's straight up and down with her posture, right? And that's okay. But I think I know what this looks like based on my proprioception, based on my interoception, based on my self-assessment. So pause, feel that, build that map, and then look at the mirror. Turn just the head and look at the mirror. For some of us, it won't be a mirror, it'll be a videotape that we can return to. That works. Then take in that information, which is likely to differ, perhaps in a small way, from what you understood it to be. Know that the mirror is closer to the truth than your expectation, and then work on recalibrating. All right, even though I thought it was straight, I can see it's not. So now I want to build it to where it is straight, and then um, really develop that map based on those new sensations, having adjusted the posture. Or I just picked posture as an example, but give it a try. Use mirrors and use them to self-reflect and see who you really are. Love. Pointing your smartphone's camera at these QR codes will lead you to places where you can help. Thank you, thank you, thank you.